Thank you for considering the Body Armor Vent, our patent-pending ventilation system for all concealable body armor and plate carriers. This is a must-have item for anyone wearing body armor. Be more effective and comfortable for your entire shift, and leave the spare t-shirts at home. The Body Armor Vent's inflated vertical air channels and the horizontal vent holes enable the evaporation of sweat from behind your armor. This keeps you cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter because you're always drier because of the EVAP technology. Visit bodyarmorvent.com to learn more about the vent or to view additional videos on inflation and installation of the retrofit kit into your existing body armor.